Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix if your Windows laptop is showing slow Wi-Fi, buffering videos, dropping speed or lagging during gaming. So if you are facing any kind of slow Wi-Fi internet issue on your PC or laptop, so this video is only for you. Don't worry, I will show you the ultimate step-by-step guide to fix slow Wi-Fi on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started step by step. So before we start, we need to cross-check your Wi-Fi. You just need to connect your Wi-Fi with the different mobile or device and see how your Wi-Fi is performing on that device. Okay, so if the problem is same on another device as well, the problem is not in your PC or laptop, so the problem is from your internet provider. You need to sort out it from there. Okay, in case the internet is working very perfectly fine on other device, only you are facing issue on your laptop or PC, now you can try this method. Okay, first you need to restart your router. A simple restart fixes 50% of network problem. Turn off your router, wait 10 seconds and turn it on. And as well, you need to restart your PC. Okay, just go to power menu and from here you need to select restart. Okay, after doing this guys, check your issue was solved or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If you are facing weak signal or slow speed, at that time you need to move your PC or laptop closer to your router to reduce obstacle like walls and other thing. Okay, and then you can try this method also. Now you need to forward and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Okay, open your Wi-Fi from your quick settings, select your Wi-Fi network and forget it. Okay, after forgetting, enter the password once again and connect it back. You can try some other basic setting also. Open your Windows settings, go to network and internet, open the Wi-Fi, and here you need to turn off metered connection. Meter mode restricted background data, slow down your Wi-Fi speed. That's why you need to disable it. And then you can try this method also. Update your Wi-Fi driver. Right click on your start button. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager, you need to extend network adapters and select your Wi-Fi driver and simply you need to update it. Outdated driver cause slow browsing and weak speed. That's why you need to update. Also, you need to update your PC as well. Open your Windows settings like this. Okay, and go to Windows Update and then click on check for updates. If the update is available, go ahead, update your PC, and as well go to advanced option, go to optional updates. From here you need to select driver update. If the driver update is pending there, select it, download and install it. And after doing this guys, hopefully this will 90% speed up your Wi-Fi speed. If the problem is same, you can try this method. You can also change the DNS for faster internet speed. Once again, open your Windows settings, go to network and internet, select your Wi-Fi, and here scroll down. Here you can get the option DNS server. So let's click on edit. From here you need to select manual. In the IPv4, here you need to enter 8.8.8.8 means 4 times 8, and in the alternate DNS you need to enter 8.8.4.4 and simply you need to save this. If you have already set it manually, you need to select automatic DHCP from here and then click on save and restart your PC one time. After restarting, check your Wi-Fi speed. So if this all method is not working, last method is this guys, you need to reset your network setting. To do this guys, once again open your Windows settings, go to network and internet, scroll down and find out advanced network settings. From here you need to reset your network settings. Okay, this is the last and final method. One more important thing guys, open your Wi-Fi settings. From here you need to check your Wi-Fi band 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz. You need to always select 5 GHz Wi-Fi network only from the list to get high speed of your Wi-Fi. So that's it. With this proven step, your Windows Wi-Fi speed should now be significantly faster and more stable. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching SmartTech Junction. See you in the next one.